Hello everyone, having trouble with your Total Wireless refill not working? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple fixes to get your plan activated and your service running smoothly. Let's dive in. Why Total Wireless add-on data are not working? The add-on data may not be activated properly on your account. There could be network outages or maintenance affecting service. The device may have incorrect APN settings preventing data access. Your plan may have restrictions that do not allow the use of add-on data. There may be a temporary glitch or a bug affecting the device's connectivity. Fix 1. Check for account status. Ensure your account is active and not suspended due to unpaid bills or other issues. Method 1. Using text message. Open message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your phone. Method 2. Using website or app. Log into Total Wireless account using app or website. Go to dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Fix to re-enter PIN. If using a refill card, double check that the PIN was entered correctly and that the card is not expired or damaged. Fix 7. Manually select network. If you are experiencing problems with network signals, manually select the Verizon network to reset the signal. On iOS, go to Settings, then Mobile Data or Cellular section, then tap on Network Selection, turn off Automatic, select Verizon from Available list. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to SIM card and Mobile Network, select the SIM, turn off automatically, select Network, select Verizon from Available list. Fix 4. Verify payment method. If you use a debit or a prepaid card, confirm that there are enough funds available to cover the refill amount. You can do this by checking your bank account balance through your banking app or a website. If using a credit card, ensure that you have not exceeded your credit limit. If everything appears correct but the refill still fails, contact your bank or a card issuer to verify that there are no holds or restrictions on your account that could prevent the transaction from going through. If possible, consider using a different payment method for the refill to see if that resolves the issue. Once you have verified that your payment method is valid and has a sufficient fund, try to complete the refill process again through the Total Wireless website, app, or by calling customer service. Fix 5. Contact customer support. There might be an issue in Total Wireless network. If the issue persists, reach out to Total Wireless customer support at 1-866-663-3633 for assistance with your refill. You can also visit nearby store to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.